Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing my July favorites. So I have a lot of stuff. I have a lot of different categories. I have a t-shirt, I have a book, I have camera equipment, body care, hair care, and makeup. So the first thing I want to share is this lip plumper that I've been loving. It's from Lawless. It is my new favorite lip plumper. This is the Lawless Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss. I love this one a lot more than my other lip plumpers that I have. It's just amazing. And I wanted to use, or get, like, what shade did I get? Rosy Outlook. I love this shade too. It's really, really, really pretty. I thought of just skipping around in the different areas, but I'm actually going to go category by category. So next we're going to talk about a new skin tint that I recently found that I really, really like. The thing is, I don't like the packaging, but that's whatever. This is the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Liquid Makeup with SPF 20, and I have the shade Classic Ivory. This is like the perfect shade match. I absolutely love it. Like I said, the only thing is I don't like the packaging. I don't like these four foundations. They're super messy, but I do really love the formula and the color choice is perfect, and I really do like these. Next is the Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt Bronzing and Shaping Serum. I've been using this again technically August, but so I've used this so much in July, and I love this bronzing serum. It's amazing. And I got the color Light. It's perfect. The only thing I haven't tried is the pump. I've always used it with the little doe foot applicator. I've never tried it with the pump. I should do that. Another makeup item that I wanted for a long time, and I recently got it in the month of July, and these are just amazing. This is the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in Anywhere Caffeine and Anywhere Walnut. I love these lip liners. They're probably my new favorite lip liners. I've been using these like crazy throughout the month of July, and they're just so good. Okay, now this next makeup item I've wanted for a long time, and I finally got it, and I was so excited. So a little bit of backstory about how I got this. So during Easter, we always get like Easter baskets, and this was in the Easter basket. This is the Brooklyn & Bailey Lash Next Door mascara, and I absolutely love the mascara. It is so pretty. This is the wand. It's just my new favorite mascara. It's so good, and I really like that it has their logo. This is their logo, and it's so, I love it. It's so cool. And then it says Lash Next Door on one side, and then Brooklyn & Bailey on the other. Last for the makeup items, or no, there's two more things after this. Let's do this first. Okay, I was running out of the Naturium liquid exfoliant, and I wanted to try some more, so I went with the Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. I love this liquid exfoliant. It's amazing. I do like that it's a bigger bottle, which is nice. I love it. And then this also is technically not makeup, but I did want to include it in the makeup category as I do clean my brushes with this. Okay, so this is the Cinema Secrets Makeup Brush Cleaner. I love this brush cleaner. It's amazing. I do only use this for spot cleaning. I don't use it for like actually cleaning my brushes, like a deep clean of my brushes. I just use it for spot cleaning. Or if I'm going in between brushes when I'm doing my makeup, I use this. Okay, so now this is the last item of the makeup that I wanted to share. So the Revie Beauty Effortless Lips lipsticks. So when LA Blinds launched the 3 new shades, and when that video was out, I was like using the other 3 shades like crazy, because the same day that, oh no, I think, was it the same day that the things came out? The video was, the website was live, and you can order them the same day that the video was live, and I was just using them like crazy until the 3 new shades came. So let's see. These are the 3 new shades. This is Peony, Poppy, and Rose. I love these shades. They're so pretty. I forget what video I was talking about this specific shade, or if it was like an Instagram reel or something, or an Instagram post. The shade, I was looking for the perfect red lip. I've been searching for a long time, and there's some that I was like, no, I don't like it. Or there was a lot. I was like, no, I don't like this red. And when this came, where's the name? Oh, when this came in the mail, I was like, this is the perfect red lipstick. What? I absolutely love it. Okay, I could talk about these as well, but I just wanted to focus on the newest 3 or this month's favorites video. Okay, now let's talk about about hair care. I only have one hair care item that I've been obsessed with. So after I cut my hair and I got layers and I cut my hair a little bit short, it's like collarbone length, and I went to Sephora and I wanted to find like a hair mask that helps with like split ends and damage, and I found this. This is the Day Monsoon Moisture Mask. I love this hair mask. It's so amazing, and it's a little thicker than I'm used to, but I do really like it. I love the smell. It smells really nice. As for body care, these are 2 things from Bath & Body Works. So this is I think this might be one of the newest scents or newest launches. This is the Brightest Blossom Daily Nourishing Body Lotion, and then the Brightest Blossom Body Wash. I love the smell of this one. It smells like flowers, and I think it's just amazing. I use these like crazy. They're really, really great. Okay, now for tech. I'm not really gonna take this out of the case, but I just want to show. So this is the Hohem iSteady M2. I've talked about this a little bit on my channel, and you can see it in action in my last video. So go check that video out. Linked down below and up in the cards. So I'm just going to unzip it and show really quickly what it looks like, because again, I don't want to get it out right now, but that's what it looks like. So here's the actual device with the AI tracking, and then here is a little mini hand tripod. It has all the, like, there's other compartments for this stuff, so it's like cords or the thing that goes onto your camera. This definitely does come in handy. I really like this, but it's gonna take me still a long time to figure out how to use this. Okay, now for a book that I wanted to mention. I've been reading this for a while. I had stopped for a good bit, and when I picked it back up again, I was like, I don't know why I stopped, because these books are amazing. They're a series. I'm only in the 2nd book right now, and it's amazing. So this is The Runaway King by Jennifer A. Nelson. I love this book. Like I said, I'm only in the 2nd book. The first book is called The False Prince, and then the 2nd one is The Runaway King, and I'm only like not even halfway through yet. I think after I'm done with this series, I'm definitely going to read another one of her series, because she's such a good author, and I just love these books. So I'm definitely going to read another series of hers. The next item, and the last item, is a clothing item. So we went to Vegas recently, and there's a restaurant in Vegas called Sicky's Garage, and it's such a great, nice restaurant. They have like a little section where you, gift shop section, and you can get like t-shirts, other things, and I got a t-shirt. So this is the t-shirt, and then this is the back, and it says Sicky's Garage on the back, and a smaller same thing on the front. Sorry, it's a little wrinkled. I actually wore this for pajamas last night, and it's just amazing. I love the color of this shirt too. So nice. I just love this as a pajama or a sleep shirt. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!